ಇದು
ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು 900 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. 50 ಎಷ್ಟಿದು?
I don't know when you will reach your destination. Yankith Koth Yogath Co.
Hello guys, I hope that you are all doing good and welcome back to another video. A busy Sunday, we just visited Bangalore's cheapest market, also known as Sunday Bazaar. You may know this who live near Bangalore. So today we are in Sunday Bazaar. So let's see what are all the things we will get here at the cheapest price. So let's get into the video. So basically you can reach this location by 3 methods. One is from buses and you can reach here by metros, and you can bring your own vehicles too. But my suggestion is to not bring your own vehicles, because you can't find any type of parking facilities here. So your own vehicles, car or it may be bikes, it will not be safe here. So come here by buses or metro. You will find a metro station called as Chickpete metro station, and you can find a buses for a KR market from the any corner of the Bangalore. So it is located at the center of the Bangalore, as I said, Sunday Bazaar. As you can see here, you will get machine accessories like drilling machine, cutting machine and welding machine and other machining accessories. You will get here at the cheapest price, and gym equipments, dumbbells and weightlifting and etc. for your gym. And also you will find some of the branded shoes like Puma, Nike and Reeboks. But my suggestion is do not buy them, because these shoes are bought here by stealing in temples and etc., and they will get here by polishing and sell at the lowest price, because they are all stolen by the temples and the place where you will leave the footwears. So do not buy this and all. Also you can find home appliances like fridge, mixie, grinders and other things. You will be getting branded shoes and clothes also. So don't go for clothes and shoes, because it will be not good quality as it has a branded. So don't go for the any types of clothes and shoes. Especially other things like electronic applications and others you can buy, you will get at the cheapest price. And mobile accessories like a battery, memory cards and computer accessories like laptop, desktops, hard disk and other applications, as you can see here, iron boxes, all you will get on the cheapest price.
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಈ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್
ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಇರೋದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ
You will be finding more number of machine tools and machine accessory shops here, and also you can see the desktops, CPU, mouse and desktop accessories and laptops for second handle. If you want to buy any of this item, you can buy, you will get at the lowest price, but check twice before buying, because at the location you buy it will be working, and after when you return your home and try to check it, it will not be working. So be safe when you buy such a things. After buying, you can't return it also. You can't find the same shop at the same location when you visit again, because these all items are bought here by stolen and used things, so it may not be working at your location, or such product are made to be working sometime before you buy. As you can see, you will be getting old coins, mobile memory cards, and small god idols. Especially you can find more number of shops on home appliances and machine accessories, electronic items such as computers, mobiles, parts, etc. And machine accessories, you can find much shops. You can buy it also, or else you can just visit. From here, exactly 100-meter right side, you will find a metro station called as Chikpete metro station. You can get use of it also. Here you can also get the bicycles under the average rate of 1000 to 1500, because these are also bought here by stealing. You should be careful when you buy such things. And you will find a number of small roads. In every road you visit, you will find different types of items and shops. The shop places will be changing every week. As I said, you can't find the same shop at the same place when you visit next week. So only I said you should be careful when you buy. Actually, the shopkeepers were not knowing the exact price of the product. They were selling 250 rupees, 100 rupees, and 500 rupees. So only you will get such items here, very cheapest price.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳೋದಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪಿ ಎಷ್ಟಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಯರ್ಫೋನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್.
In this road, I could find only electronic gadgets such as camera, mouse, keyboard, and remote, speaker box, mobile batteries, memory cards. As you can see. You may get the helmets under 100 rupees and 200 rupees here, but do not buy them. It will be cheapest, but it will not be safe to your head.
ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಡ್ತೇವೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಬೇಡ, ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಆ ರಿಮೋಟ್ಗಳದು. ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಚ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ ಮುಂದೆ ತಿರ್ಸ್ಕೊ, ಮುಂದೆ ತೋರಿಸು. ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದು ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಇದು.
We found the KTM original indicators of 50 rupees only and fog lamps of 100 and other bike accessories. They were kept a battery to show the lights working to the customers.
ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ ರೈಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅದು
ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವಾಹನ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 50 ಎಷ್ಟಿದು ಲೈಟರ್ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೋದು.
ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಫೋನ್ ಪೇ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
So finally we started leaving from here. It was getting evening and we spent over 5 to 4 hours here. Our bike was parked around 2 kilometers from here. So only I said we have parking issue and there is no space to park your own vehicle. If you have liked the video and it was informative to you, give a big thumbs up. You may find any mistakes or feedback, you can text me on Instagram or in the comment section. And lastly, be careful with your personal belongings when you visit here and keep our environment clean. Let's meet in the next video and stay tuned to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.